Vivo U1 smartphone has been launched in the Chinese market. The phone comes with a dual camera setup at the back, a rear fingerprint sensor, and a water drop shaped notch. The Vivo U1 is seen to sport a 6.2-inch display, a Snapdragon 439 SoC, and comes with an 8-megapixel selfie sensor. The highlight of the smartphone is that it packs a large 4030 mAh battery. Vivo recently also launched its iQOO sub-brand, and has now started teasing the first phone's arrival in the Chinese market as well. Vivo U1 price. Availability. Vivo U1 is priced at 799 Chinese renminbi, roughly 8,400 rupees. For the 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage option, 999 Chinese renminbi, roughly 10,500 rupees. For the 3GB RAM plus 64GB storage option, and 1,199 Chinese renminbi, roughly 12,600 rupees. For the 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage option. It has been made available in starry black, purple, and aurora red color options, and is already on sale via the Vivo eShop in China. The phone sports a water drop notch, a slight chin at the bottom of the display, a dual rear camera setup aligned vertically, a rear fingerprint sensor, and volume and power buttons on the right edge of the device. Vivo U1 specifications. A dual SIM Vivo U1 runs on Funtouch OS 4.5, based on Android 8.1. It features a 6.2-inch HD, 720x1520 pixels LCD display with a water drop notch. It is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 439 SoC paired with up to 4GB RAM. Inbuilt storage is offered at up to 64GB with the option to expand memory via a microSD card slot up to 256GB. As for camera, the Vivo U1 sports a dual rear camera setup aligned vertically with one 13-megapixel sensor with f/2.0 aperture and another 2-megapixel sensor with f/2.2 aperture. Up front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie sensor as well. Features include panorama, beauty, shoot, and more. The phone packs a 4030 mAh battery, measures 155.1 x 75.09 x 8.28 mm, and weighs 163.5 grams. Connectivity options on the Vivo U1 include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 802.1/B/G/N, GPS and more. As mentioned, there is a rear fingerprint sensor, and comes with face unlock support as well.